Have you ever really listened to people speaking in another language and thought, hey, there are some really similar sounding words being repeated? Well, that's because in every language there are highly used words. We call them high frequency words. Hi, I'm Sahani from Bridge the Gap LK, and in this video we're going to look at 20 action words that get used quite often as a beginner trying to learn Sinhala. Alright, each verb will be repeated twice, so feel free to pause and repeat. Let's get into it. Number 1. Karanava. Karanava. Number 2. Denava. Denava. Number 3. Gannava. Gannava. Number 4. Danava. Danava. Number 5. Yanava. Yanava. Number 6. Enava. Enava. Number 7. Dannava. Dannava. Number 8. Kanava. Kanava. Number 9. Hadanava. Hadanava. Number 10. Innava. Innava. Number 11. Uyanava. Uyanava. Number 12. Kata karanava. Kata karanava. Number 13. Ahanava. Ahanava. Number 14. Balanava. Balanava. Number 15. Bonava. Bonava. Number 16. Vadakaranava. Vadakaranava. Number 17. Hodanava. Hodanava. Number 18. Tiyanava. Tiyanava. Number 19. Therenava. Therenava. Number 20. Hambenava. Hambenava. Try listening to the verbs again, and this time try writing them down based on the pronunciation guide that we learned in the previous lesson. The whole point being you can learn new words or new sounds and have a system for writing the sound as it should be pronounced. Alright, that's enough from me. See you in the next video. Bye!